Greetings, God and hello to another video from the company frunk.at. Some time ago we mentioned that we wanted to add a frunk for the BMW iX3 to our product portfolio. Now the time has come, the frunk is ready and prepared for delivery. As always, the frunk has been designed and manufactured using deep drawing technology, making it very easy to install and also very easy to remove. How does it work now? As we have already seen back then, there is initially a huge plastic cover here. You can remove it relatively easily with a gentle tug. First, we will take a look at two of these rubber buffers. Remove them because we need these for the frunk as a holding insert. So, mention these two rubber buffers. We first insert from bottom to top. These will then serve, just like with the cover, as a holder for the frunk. So, as the second step, we will screw an angle bracket onto the frunk. Specifically, with the included screws and the stainless steel washers. The larger stainless steel washer, the small edge must be inserted inside, and the small edge then outside. Place the angle bracket. Place the washer. And the nut, just fix it once. Do the same with the second screw. The large washer inside, the small washer outside. Angle bracket, just once. Tighten by hand. Why only hand tight? Because at the end you can still adjust the height here. Now we can already insert the frunk. Just insert it so that it is at the front. It fits into the two holders. And here on the right and left, resting on the aluminum struts. So then you can hear pass clamps through, and do the same on the second side with the aluminum strut. Pass through here. Insert like this with the included screws. Fix the whole thing now. On the other side as well. So now we need an Allen key. An Allen plus key with a width of 4. Here are a few wing screws, exactly the same on the other side. You can already tighten it there. The same on this side. Finally, we still need, getting the note? So a 10mm ratchet or ring spanner. finally, you fix the angle here and adjust the height tactically. Tighten twice. So, Frank is fixed. That's it. You see, in just a few minutes, Frank is installed, and to uninstall it, you need about the same amount of time, and it's uninstalled again. So, John, coming up. Additionally, order a custom fit bag for Frank. We will also install a luggage net here. You can see all these options on the home page. Yes, so far, that's it. Installation is very simple. There is really plenty of additional storage space for the charging cable, the emergency charging cable, and other items. Things you don't need often, but when you do, they should be easily accessible and removable. Okay, that's it from my side. Have fun with Frank. Yours, Joseph, from the company Frank.